Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to show you one 3-bedroom hall with the outglass finishing. See, this is the main door. Just we enter in the door with the beauty with the decoration. Now this is the hall. It's a big size, very huge, very big size hall. Now this is the kitchen. The exhaust. Basically it's very huge kitchen, it's a big kitchen. This is the bathroom, the common bathroom for the hall and the one room. First room. This room doesn't have a bathroom, but this in front of this room there is a bathroom. That bathroom is common with this room and the hall. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom, common bathroom with this room and this hall. This is the hall. This is the room. Master bedroom. The cupboard inside the room. This is the master bedroom with the wardrobe. Second master bedroom. Bedroom hall at the first floor near to